All right, let's get started. First, we're going to read our problem through one time and try to visualize the story. There are 35 note cards in one box. The other box holds 67 cards. How many cards are there in all? Now let's go back and circle our numbers or number words and underline important information about what the problem wants us to do. Pause the video as you do this. You should have circled 35 and 67 for my numbers, and then I needed to underline how many cards are there in all. Because of the word in all, I know that I'm going to be using the operation of addition. I've now read through my prompt and circled numbers and underlined the important details. Next, I need to draw my problem. And to draw this, I'm going to use a type diagram to help me visualize my parts in the whole. I know that I have 67 cards in one box, and then I have 35 cards in the other box. What I don't know is the total of cards in all. I'm going to write question mark because I need to find that total amount. Pause the video and complete your tape diagram. Now to solve this, in Module 4, Problem 19, we have been using the place value chart and discs to create the problem. I'm going to draw my hundreds chart and label it ones, tens, and hundreds. So please pause the video and do that as well. Now I'm going to write my problem in a vertical format. So that would mean I would have 35 plus 67. Whisper count with me as I place 35 chips on my chart. Remember, we always start in the ones place, and to help make easy bundles of 10, I'm going to put these into groups of 5. So there's 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s. Next I have 3 10s. So I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. Pause your video and add the number 35 to your place value chart. Awesome. Now let's go back and add 67 to our place value chart. Please whisper out loud or whisper to yourself as I put these on the chart. Remember, we're going to do these in groups of 5 to help with easy bundling of 10. So I have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s, and I have 6 10s. So there's 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10. Pause the video and add 67 to your place value chart. Now we're ready to add. Always remember that we begin in the ones place. When I look at my algorithm, I see that I have 5 plus 7. I know that 5 and 5 are friendly numbers and make a 10. And because I have 7 at the bottom, I know that I'm going to be able to make a 10. So I'm going to count out 10 in my ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move that 1 10 to my tens place. And then I see that I have 2 ones left over. To write this on the algorithm, I'm going to put the one new unit that I have on the line under the tens, and then I have 2 ones, so I'm going to write 2 underneath the ones place. Next, it's time to add the tens. I know that 6 and 4 make it easy, 10, make that easy number. And I have 6 ones plus 3 ones plus 1 more, which gives me 10. So I'm going to circle these 10, and I'm going to make a new unit in the hundreds place. Now I'm going to go back to my algorithm. I know I have one new 100, and when I look in the tens place, I have 0 10. I'm going to go to the hundreds place and add my hundredth, and I only have one 100. So that gives me 102 cards in total. Go ahead and pause the video and add 67 to your place value chart, and then solve using bundles of 10 and the renaming of a unit. Alright, now I simply need to write my answer. Well, first I'm going to go back and double check my chart. I drew my problem out, identifying my holes and my parts. I wrote an equation, 35 plus 67. Now I'm going to write my answer in a complete sentence. And that would read, there are 102 cards in all. Go ahead and pause the video as you write your complete sentence in your journal, and then press play when you're ready to continue. Great job today, mathematicians. You are on your way to becoming expert problem solvers. If you have questions, please go back and listen to the video again, or don't hesitate to ask your teacher. Until next time.